Next up, Exfil Tracking for ground. In this we need to take and extract the 4 tracking devices from the Zarqwa hydroelectric dead drop and plant a tracker on 3 enemy exfil choppers and plant a tracker on the final. I'm not too sure how we're going to take them, plant them, and exfil with them, but I suppose we'll find out as we go. Anyways, for this, the easiest thing to do is search for a game at the same time as a friend, follow them around to the 3 extracts, and plant your trackers as you go. Having a friend is the easiest way to do this, otherwise you'll be running towards and away from exfil choppers very quickly. Alright, I spawned by the cemetery. I'm gonna quickly race to the Zarqwa dead drop. Alright, so I'm heading towards the Zarqwa dead drop, which is located just about here, near the gas station. We'll go ahead and grab the items from the gas station here, just like that, and now all we need to do is get to the different exfils and mark them as enemy players are on them. I'm driving a car in here. I'm coming close to it. Do you want to call it in? I'm here. Beep, 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 beep. Hello. I'll stay in my vehicle. Hello. All right. Oh, my vehicle's gone. Oh, man, I called it in. That's not good. All right. I got to wait for this to leave and then call in one. There we go. So now that our enemy teammates have called in an exfil chopper here, we'll wait for it to touch down and we'll place the item on it when it gets here. So simply waiting for it to come down, we'll hit F when it's close enough somewhere here. On the left side by this little wing thing. Let's see. Plant tracking device. There we go. Done. All right, let's go to the next one. Right, so it seems you need to plant it behind the left wing, just on the bottom. It's simple enough to find, but a little bit annoying. Hit F there, doc. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Plant. There we go. Let's go, let's go. Get in, drive. Fuck on. There you go. So the last exfil here. The weapons cases there. I think they might be taking off. Oh, they're already taking off. All right, the third and final one. But we can team up for that, I'm sure. So I'll plant it here. There we go. Who the hell's shooting at us? There's another car, another player. Downed one. Killed one. Just gonna check the chopper here. Is that you? Is that you? Oh, sorry. I think I can join you now. That's it. So I'll send a request. There we go. Oh, yeah. How's it, boys? Long time no see. Probably gonna run into someone. And now I need to place it on the same spot on this final exfil. Bonk. Done. There we go. Sweet. Mission is complete. So, thank you for watching. That's been Exfil Tracking. Hopefully you found this video useful. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.